TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I was just doing Steve Rhodes' show just a couple hours ago, and we were talking about this trade here in the crude oil. If you were to sell it at 62.62, it has a nice profit in it now. So what I would do is have you stop at break even or look to cover now. We had a pretty big break. Look at this on a little bit shorter term time frame. You'll see we've had the big break into here now. So I'll be watching it because we might get a little rally up in here in the next few minutes. So make sure you lock in a profit here. Say put your stop at 62.50 or something like that, just to cover commission or whatever, because we made the big ABCD up here right at the 61, and now we're backing off. But I'm really suspect because this has been following pretty good today, so you don't want to give up too much. You're up about $400 right now, so let's see what that is. If that's, maybe it's a 382 off of the bottom that we had down here this morning when the market was really suffering, and we'll see. By golly, there it was right there. There was your 382. So I would be covering the position here, folks, because we've got a $400 profit in it, and it's been following so good that maybe towards the end of the show here we might get a better chance to put it on. So I would definitely do that. Okay. That's the one that we're watching now. The big news today has been the bond market, because the bond market had a pretty good bottom in here. We're going to look at this on the daily because something very interesting happened. You'll notice that we went and matched the lows from April the 8th and didn't even take it out by a tick. Remember, our number here was 111.35, and I said if we go below 111, it's going to be pretty nasty, and we didn't go below 111. We stopped at 111.16, just like we did over here. We've now rallied a point and a half off of that low, and that tells us that this is some type of a bottom. We had bad news about Moody's, which has been out for, the other two rating services already put the Treasury bonds in lower category, but Moody's was the last to act, and so the news is out, bad news and good action, so we're still getting a rally here in the Treasury bonds. Now we've got to take a little break here coming up in about 32 seconds, and we're going to do it now. We'll be right back, folks. 877-927-6648.